Namaste, this is Surabhi, your Master Teacher of Chemistry at Vedantu. Welcome to 5 Days Challenge. So I have already given you 2 challenges. If you have not watched those videos, please go back and watch. So are you ready for today's challenge? Yes? Come on, give me a high five. Shall we get started? Okay then. So why oranges taste sour? Why lemon tastes sour? Because they have citric acid. So got an idea what this challenge is about? Acids. Okay. The compounds which gives H plus ion or H3O plus, that is hydronium ion, when dissolved in water, they are called as acids, right? So you have a substance, add it to water, and if they are dissolving in it to produce H plus, so which cannot exist independently, so it combines with water and forms hydronium ion, then that substance can be called as an acid. So few examples of acids are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, citric acid, uric acid, lactic acid, formic acid, sulfurous acid. There are so many, right? So what are the properties of these acids? So they are sour. Yeah, okay. Some solids and some liquid, but most of them, if you want to see their acidic behavior or their nature, then most of them has to be in their liquid or aqueous state. So strong mineral acids are corrosive in nature, like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid. So as they are strong mineral acids, why are they called as strong? Because they undergo complete dissociation. So you have weak acids also. So actually there are 7 strong acids. Rest of them, they are weak. So I'll be giving you a list also in the next session. So they do conduct electricity in their aqueous state. So this is about acid. So next I'll be telling you something important. What is it? Wanna join us, gain 100% knowledge and score 100% marks? So here also I am teaching the same thing. Why do you want me to join Pro Subscription? If that is your question, so listen to this. Unlimited live classes with fun and high level quizzes. So here, at least in this channel, only I am teaching, right? But if you want to attend physics session or biology or maths or social science, anything, so you can attend any number of sessions which all has quizzes. Yes, you'll be competing with the students all over the world, and even if you couldn't attend the live session, you can watch and go back and watch the replay, which will be interactive. So you can actually play the quiz, you can be on the leaderboard, you can earn points, which is very, very, very cool. After the session, you will get the notes, handwritten notes of the master teachers, assignments will be shared with you, tests will be conducted regularly, you will get the performance report, so you can sit and analyze what are my weaknesses, what are my strengths, where did I go wrong, which is very, very important. So in-class doubt solving with quality tests and assignments. So you will be sitting in the session, you'll have doubts. Sometimes what happens here only, let's take an example, YouTube. I might miss your doubts because only I am there, I have to teach and I have to look at the chat section, right? It happens. I'm not saying I'm 100% efficient while solving your doubts on YouTube. But what happens here is, in class doubt solving mein, you will have class teachers and a master teacher who will make sure to solve all of your doubts in the class. So you don't have to wait for another session, you don't have to write an email, you don't have to comment. So all of your doubts will be resolved in the session, which is very, very important for the students, I believe, right? Concepts must be clear. There should be clarity in the concepts. So free microcourses and crash courses. So more than 5,000 microcourses. Now if you're asking what is this microcourse? So microcourse is basically, okay, I am still in first chapter. You have already studied it. You want to know what is there in this third chapter. You're very curious. Okay, go enroll into that microcourse. You can choose your chapter You can choose the master teacher you want to learn from. You can choose the language. Got it. Yeah. And crash courses for competitive exams. It's not only about board exam, right? We are not only preparing you for the board exam, but the competitive exams like NTSC, Olympiads. So all those competitive exams you can actually crack if you join these courses. So less is more. How? If you use the coupon code SURPRO, you will be getting additional 20% discount. So what are you waiting for? Take the pro subscription. See, you can see here till March 2022. So 2,400 classes, and this is the price you need to pay. Unlimited classes, right? So it depends on the number of sessions you take. So visit the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Use the coupon code SURPRO. Okay. So what is a base? So base is a substance. When it is dissolved in water, it produces hydronium ion. Hydroxyl ion. Or it reacts with hydronium ion to form salt and water. Right? This is how we can define a base. But here there are few bases which does not dissolve in water. Okay, there are few bases. For example, copper oxide, aluminium hydroxide. No, they do not. So these chemical substances turn red litmus blue, and when dissolved in water, if they dissolve in water, they will produce OH minus ion. But there are few bases which do not dissolve. They do not dissolve in water, and so the bases which are soluble in water, which do dissolve in water, they are called as alkalis. Water soluble bases. NaOH plus H2O. See, hydroxyl ions are formed. Okay, so generally metal oxides, metal carbonates, bicarbonates, they are all basic in nature. So reaction of base with an acid. So what happens? Yes, everyone knows this reaction, right? It's a neutralization reaction. Bases on reaction with acids gives salt and water, and this is known as neutralization reaction. Yes, we knew this. So how do we represent acid plus base? You will get salt plus water. So that is H plus from acid, OH minus from base will form water, and the rest, any cation from base and anion from acid, will combine to give you a salt. This is what is a neutralization reaction. But you might be wondering why I am teaching acid bases. We know it already. What is the challenge? Here it is. So obviously this is about acid and base reaction. So these are the things which you need. Of course, everything will be available at your home. I don't want you to go out and buy anything. Okay? Fresh lemons hoga na ghar pe? Nimbu pani, haan. A knife, small measuring cup and measuring spoon, baking soda, liquid dish soap, a clear cup for the reaction, so that you can actually see what is happening when you add these two. Okay, so what happens? So first, you can just roll the lemons on the counter, which we all usually do, right? So that the juice will be released, and when you cut it into two pieces, so you can aram se squeeze out the juice. So cut the lemon, please, adults only. Okay, so in this part, when you are doing this, I want you to be with an adult, because it's a kind of exothermic reaction, so please be careful. So that's what, just squeeze out the lemon, collect the juice. So in the empty glass, place 1 spoon of baking soda. Just place it. Add 1 teaspoon of liquid dish soap. You might be wondering, why are we adding liquid dish soap? I'll tell you. To the baking soda. So you have added one spoon of baking soda, and then 1 tablespoon of dishwash. Mix it up. Okay, mix it up. So now, if you are wondering, these two are basic in nature. Yes, you agree? Okay. Now pour the lemon into the soap cup and stir. What happens now? That is what I want you to try and tell me. So lemon, it is acidic in nature, and baking soda, Dishwash. So dishwash, why we add is so that you can actually see. So the liquid soap, it turns the bubbles into foam, which often erupts right out of the glass. So when this reaction takes place, so you can actually see that eruption of bubbles. So that is the reason we are adding the liquid bubble soap, because NaHCO3G plus acid, citric acid, so carbon dioxide gas will be released. How will you know? So the baking soda and the lemon juice, which is an acid, citric acid, combine to release carbon dioxide. The liquid soap turns the bubble into foam that often erupts right out of the glass. So this is what I want to do. I want you to do. Even in the other way also, you can even perform this experiment, which I already have done, I guess, right? Yes. So carbon dioxide will be formed, so you can aram se witness the evolution of carbon dioxide here. So this is a very simple acid base neutralization reaction. Do try it, but be very careful, and as I've already told you, you can just record the entire activity and mail it to me, or you can share the Google Drive link, kuch bhi chalega, to elementarychemistry80@gmail.com. Will you do it? Yes. Do let me know. Yay! So, and let me remind you again, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do it and click on the like button. Share this video with your friends, because there will be another 2 challenges. So the series is super duper interesting. You will be learning also, you will be having fun also. I know you're all busy with exams, but still you can just take out 15 to 20 minutes to enjoy these activities. And if you have the video, do not forget to share it with us. So thank you so much, and before I leave, let me tell you something big is coming. What is that? Keep guessing. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.